Shall we quickly have a conversation about UltimateTax Online 1040 tax preparer software? This is kind of important because for the last 11 months, we have investigated 82 professional tax preparation and research tools, culminating in the review of hundreds of features, pricing tiers, databases, and customer support models. Whenever we needed clarifications or answers to specific thematics, we reached out to UltimateTax representatives. So this UltimateTax Online 1040 software review is a part of a series that is a direct offshoot of our months-long initiative. We have rated this software tool on 6 important criteria: accuracy, timely updates, value for cost, ease of use, customer support, and availability of forms. Enjoy. I want you to look right now on the screen, folks. Here we have today's agenda. So I'll give you a précis about the business. We'll talk about ergonomics, convenience, productivity, support, growth. We'll also have a conversation about pricing, and I'll just wrap it up here. So when we think about UltimateTax Online 1040 tax preparer software, I want you to think about a tool that allows you to file unlimited 1040s with anywhere. I mean, you can use the tool to file unlimited 1040s anywhere, anytime, okay? And we love the fact that if you are able, let's say you're a newbie or you are an experienced practitioner, you can use the software to get on board fast. The onboarding process is very fast. They don't waste time. The data is secured. They have military grade encryption with UltimateTax. You are also able to see real-time progress for your filed return. We love that. And it's cheaper also. You can also, if you don't have the funds to buy the software, you can actually fund 30 or more bank products each season and receive their online professional tax software for free. So this is really good. And everything is paperless. So you have paperless filing. You don't have to, this is really eco-friendly. We love that. And they also have a constellation of features and interfaces and modules that we love. For example, they have the e-signature feature. This is really good because it gives you a faster turnaround time for tax preparation. This is really good. And you have the UltimateTax Online 1040. This software gives the ability for the clients. It gives you the ability, you the practitioner, it gives you the ability to access the client data faster. You have increased mobility, okay? Up to 10 users can access the program on different devices. And you have effective tax preparation support. So they do have a service called 365 there at UltimateTax, so they will take care of you if you have problems. So please check out our tax preparation software. We do have our tax preparation software review. We do have a short video that explains our methodology when it comes to reviewing, categorizing, and listing tax preparation software on this show. Check this out. Okay, I want to quickly talk to you now about ergonomics, folks. So anytime we mention the word ergonomics, we want to focus on user friendliness. This is very important. And we want to pay attention to a few things when we analyze how this UltimateTax Online 1040 makes your life easier, especially when you have to tackle multiple returns, multiple 1040s, and this is a busy tax season. This software does a great job in terms of user friendliness. You have the ability to have a data entry style forms or interview. It's totally up to you. All states are included. All federal tax forms are included. You have unlimited 1040 e-file, and if you need it, you might have also the corporate return. Now, obviously, this show is about Ultimate Tax Online 1040, but you can buy also the corporate returns module separately. And we love the fact that you are conducting business with easy to use professional tax software. Sometimes when we review tax software on this show, we have said it before that some software tools are very complicated. This is not the case with Ultimate Tax Online 1040. It's very easy. You spend less time figuring out the installation of your professional tax software. Okay, no more manual tax software updates. Everything is done through an internet browser. This is really good. And you don't even need to worry about your device's compatibility. You can use the software on a PC, MacBook, or Chromebook. You can access it via desktop, laptop, or a 7-inch tablet. It's totally up to you. They also have, in terms of user friendliness, they have a smarter help system. Okay, so if you don't want to contact customer service, a built-in help box is available with a comprehensive and context-sensitive feature. Okay, so you just let the software finish the thought you have started typing, and the software will just link you to the right resource. Okay, and we also love the fact that you have smart diagnostics that ensures that you will not skip any data input. It's all about accuracy. It's all about data integrity. It's all about customer satisfaction. Okay, your client must be satisfied, and you, the practitioner, must also be satisfied. You also have free software data conversions. This is really good. Okay, so this is really good, and the software specialists are available to help you without any problem or additional charges, and your tax practice will be ready for tax season in no time. And I'm showing you on the screen here, just FYI, here are the system requirements that you need to fulfill before getting the Ultimate Tax Online 1040. I want to talk to you now about convenience. Are you with me? Okay, so here we focus on user experience. So when we speak about convenience, we speak about user experience, and we love the fact that with the Ultimate Tax Online 1040, you actually are able to do automatic backups that are stored on the cloud. Okay, so and this makes your life as a user very, very easy, because if you, let's say you forgot to hit the save button, no need to feel frustrated. So Ultimate Tax Online 1040 will automatically back up your work, and as a tax practitioner, you will not lose hours of data entry. Okay, you can seamlessly manage multiple tasks all at once, and you can actually improve your tax preparation process. What we love here is that you can, even if you are in doubt or you are not sure about what to do, you can always call customer service. They'll be very happy to talk to you. They'll walk you through the process. Not a problem. In terms of user experience, you also will love this software tool because it helps you update your client faster with real-time tax return query. Okay, so the work in progress screen will share the status of returns you have filed, so you can give immediate updates to your clients if their returns were accepted or rejected. The thing is that some clients want to have update statuses very let's say frequently throughout the day. So if you have a software such as the Ultimate Tax Online 1040, you're able to provide return updates very frequently. This is good. And you can share the statuses of your customers' tax refunds, acknowledgements, and printed checks. You are also able to comply with the IRS's paperless initiative. If you've been in this industry as long as I have, you understand that the IRS is really pushing for their paperless initiative. This is good. It's eco-friendly. It's good for the environment. We get that. So with this tool, the Ultimate Tax Online 1040, you're able to be compliant with this. They have a module called the e-signature. So this is available. You can use it in office or remote. You can sign on customer's device or on the signature pad in office. It's totally up to you. And you can also maximize your earning potential. This is another thing we love when it comes to user experience with the Ultimate Tax Online 1040. There are more than 30 funded bank products. Okay, you can actually, what Ultimate Tax has done is they have partnered with banks and financial services entities that really specialize in this kind of product, the bank products. So this is kind of cool. And if you also meet a certain threshold, you can actually qualify for getting your software for free. What about productivity? Let's focus here on workflow gains. When we talk about productivity, we want to talk about workflow gains. Okay, you can use this software to do a lot of stuff. For one, you can actually speed up your turnaround time with this easy software interface. The interface is so easy. It's just amazing how they were able to develop that. It's very easy. You don't have to have a CPA or a JD or an EA to understand how to work the system. No, not at all. You have interview mode data entry. You can access customer data anywhere using a web browser. You have customized available buttons in your launchpad. This is really good. You can use templates to maximize your efficiency. It really depends on what you're trying to do really with this UltimateTax Online 1040. Okay, you have all the states are included. You have unlimited e-filing for federal and state returns. We love that because during tax season, you don't have time to. Some clients want to manually file their returns. You don't have that kind of time. No, especially if you're busy, if your office is busy, you really want to e-file everything. And you can guide your clients when reporting data using the interview mode feature. You can generate detailed reports. You have extensive knowledge base and training videos to help new and seasoned tax preparers. Okay, and we love the fact that you are able to ensure 100% accuracy with the UltimateTax tools to make sure you don't make any errors on your client's tax returns. And you can expand more service through the prior year software and W2/1099 business returns add-on. So it's totally up to you if you are trying to diversify your niche, because obviously this show and the UltimateTax Online 1040, it's only for, as the name infers, this is only for individual returns, but you can buy an add-on and you can start also providing business returns. We love the fact that you can reach more clients through mobile access. This is important. You're able to expand your tax preparer business by being available to your clients no matter where you are. Okay, as long as you have your laptop or tablet and an internet connection, you can access your clients' data forms on the go. So this is really good. And again, when we talk about the tax season, you really want to be ready, and you want your team, in case you are a multi-member practice or an oligo member practice or a small practice or a regional practice or whatever you are, you want to be accessible. You want your team to be accessible. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another session of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are also having a conversation today about UltimateTax Online 1040, which is one product in the UltimateTax family of tax software products. And I want to talk to you about client support here. And so you can reach out to the UltimateTax 365 service if you need help. You can call 1-866-686-7211. You can contact sales if you're interested in having a conversation with the sales team. Let's say you want to buy a new product, okay? And you also can access the software support department. So they have an entire software support department that takes care of all the problems that you can actually come up with as a client or as a prospect. So you can see on the screen, we just put it there. They have a solution center. You have My Ultimate Tax. You can chat with the service experts. You can create a service ticket. You can say show my screen. This is for remote help. You can call your service team. You can email your service team, or you have the Ultimate Tax blog. In our experience, among all these tools, the best is to go to the Solution Center, where you have ready-made or ready written solutions. And if you don't find the solution to your problem there, you want to log into your account. So this is where you go to My Ultimate Tax, and then you want to email or you want to chat with the customer service from there. Okay, so that the conversation is secured and they will take care of you more quickly. So this is important. And remember that you always have access to instant chat. You can also message them through the website, or you can email them. And one thing you need to understand is that they have hundreds of available questions and answers in their knowledge base. Okay, so you can actually search through that pool of answers to your most common questions, as well as those that no one wants to make that phone call to ask. Okay, so you can get your answer now. And we love the fact that overall customer service at Ultimate Tax Online is just great. Whether you are speaking about tax season or beyond, they are always there for you. They are knowledgeable about the products. They can also help you out with regulatory issues. Not a problem. Let us talk about growth, folks. We want to talk about growth. We want to see how the software tool helps you grow your business, your practice. And there are a lot of things you can do. First, you have the bank products. So Ultimate Tax has negotiated, I've said this before, they have negotiated partnerships with some players, some financial players. And so those are TPG Santa Barbara, EPS Financial, Refund Advantage. If you want to contact them, TPG Santa Barbara, for instance, the website is shown on the screen, but you can reach out to them at 1-800-779-7228. For EPS, the number is 888-782-0850. So we have 888-782-0850. And we have here Refund Advantage, and the website is there, and you can reach out to them at 1-800-967-4934. So besides the bank products, there are other ways that Ultimate Tax Online helps you. You have access to a lot of services inside, a lot of add-on services to help you make more money. You also have the analysis. You can analyze actually revenue trends. We always say this because it's important to know where you are at exactly in terms of your practice before you can know whether you are growing or not growing, and you can take actions. So you want to have access to the right tools and processes so that you can analyze your own data, your own practices data. And Ultimate Tax provides you with that. So you're able to also see exactly what's going on in terms of cash flows, your cash inflows and cash outflows, not only during tax season, but also outside tax season. You can also use the tools that Ultimate Tax has for you to grow, to market yourself. We've always mentioned that it's important to think sustainably in terms of your practice. You want to market yourself. You want to build a website if needed. You want to network the right way. You want to connect on social media with your clients and also your peers in your industry, in that particular niche that you're in, right? If you are in a niche, or if you're not in a niche, if you're just a general practitioner, then that's also perfect, not a problem. So always think about ways to reach out to other people, whether you are networking or whether you are using content marketing, direct marketing. You're trying to reach out to prospects, to existing clients, but also to colleagues. So in terms of pricing, you can see on the screen here, folks, we're still discussing Ultimate Tax Online 1040. So you can see that you have the Ultimate Tax paper return. Here is the pricing for that. And the Ultimate Tax Online 1040 is the most popular product according to Ultimate Tax themselves. So this will cost you $588 per year. But it is free if you have more than 30 bank products. That's the minimum, 30 bank products, okay? And one thing I want to say here is that you can also go for the Ultimate Desktop 1040. If you don't want the online version, go with the desktop. That's totally fine. And you can also get the business return add-on. So that's the 1040 plus corporate. We have actually reviewed this extensively on another show, but this is what you have. The second screenshot you can see here, it shows you really what kind of functionalities you have with each software. So you have the PPR, the online 1040, the desktop 1040, and the 1040 plus corporate. Obviously, the 1040 plus corporate has more modules, more features, okay? And one thing I need to specify here is that free trial is available on all software products. It's really not a problem. And there is a possibility, as I just said before, to get your tax software for free. A lot of practitioners that we know, those are really small, they try to get this because they know that it makes sense for them to not to pay for this. As long as you can fund at least 30 bank products, you are good to go. All right. And so this is how you actually think about the pricing in terms of this software. What I want to say in general is that please, you are willing to, first you want to try the software. Number two, you want to just pay for it if you can. And if you are able to get it for free, go for it because you are just adding value to the client's life and they are also making money off of you. That's fine. This is a win-win situation. This is really fun. But overall, try to pay the right price for tax preparer software because if you get the wrong tool, this is going to mess up your clientele. It's going to mess up your reputation. It's going to mess up a lot of things and not just your bottom line. So here is the synopsis, folks. After analyzing the software tool, we believe that this software, the UltimateTax Online 1040, is great for single, oligo, and multi-member practices, as well as some small practices. Okay, our score 8.5 over 10, and overall, UltimateTax ranked number 6 in our top 10 tax preparer software tools. So you can go watch that video if you are interested to learn more. And we also believe that UltimateTax is great for micro and small practices. Thank you so much for your attention. I'll speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.